Traveling the world is a dream for many of us. The allure of visiting new places, experiencing different cultures, and embarking on adventures is irresistible. But there's one major question that often holds us back. How can I afford to keep traveling? Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, exploring various strategies to earn money while traveling abroad. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll have a multitude of options that can help you live your dream. Let's start by discussing some traditional methods. These are tried and true ways of earning an income that travelers have relied on for years. Imagine you're in a foreign country, sharing your language and culture with enthusiastic students while earning a respectable income. Teaching English is one of the most popular ways to make money while traveling. You might be wondering, what qualifications do I need? Generally, a TEFL, teaching English as a foreign language, certification is required. Popular countries for this job include China, Japan, South Korea, and Thailand. Average earnings vary, but can range from $1,000 to $3,000 per month, which, depending on the cost of living, can be quite lucrative. Freelancing offers travelers the freedom to work from anywhere, whether it's a bustling cafe in Paris or a serene beach in Bali. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com have opened the doors for gig workers to make money writing, designing, programming, and more. The beauty of freelancing is that your office is wherever you have a Wi-Fi connection. Can you see yourself typing away on your laptop while sipping a coconut drink? Seasonal jobs are another excellent way to earn money. Think about it. A ski instructor in the Swiss Alps during winter, or perhaps working at a summer camp in the United States. These jobs not only pay, but also often come with added perks, like free accommodation and food. Fruit picking in Australia is another seasonal job offering the chance to explore while earning a decent wage. The average earnings here can range from $10 to $20 per hour, depending on the job and location. Now let's pivot to some unconventional ways to make money. These opportunities are less traditional but equally rewarding. Why not take care of someone's pet or home while they're away? Platforms like Trusted House Sitters connect travelers with homeowners who need someone to look after their pets or homes. It's a win-win. You get free accommodation and they get peace of mind. Imagine staying in a cozy home in Tuscany or a chic apartment in New York City without spending a dime on rent. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? Websites like Workaway and WWOOF, Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms, offer travelers the chance to volunteer in exchange for free room and board. Whether you're helping to build a school in Africa or working on organic farms in New Zealand, these platforms offer countless opportunities to experience local culture and make a difference. While you might not earn a salary, the savings on accommodation and meals are substantial. Picture this. You join a research team studying marine life in the Great Barrier Reef. Universities and NGOs often seek participants for their projects, offering compensation or free stays. It's a unique opportunity to combine work with passion, and you'll come back with more than just memories. Think new skills and great stories. Every traveler knows that with great adventures come challenges. Let's discuss how to tackle the legal and financial hurdles. When working abroad, having the right visa and work permit is crucial. Each country has its regulations, so it's essential to research and understand the requirements. For example, while tourist visas don't allow you to work, working holiday visas are available in countries like Australia, Canada, and New Zealand, allowing you to work for a certain period. Traveling can be expensive, but smart budgeting can help you control costs. Tips include staying in budget accommodations, cooking your meals, and using local transport. Apps like Trail Wallet can help you track expenses, ensuring you stay within budget. Isn't it exciting to think of managing your finances like a pro while hopping from one beautiful destination to another? Sometimes the best inspiration comes from those who've been there and done that. Consider Sarah, a digital nomad who makes a living as a freelance writer. She travels extensively, from the coffee shops of Amsterdam to the beaches of Thailand, earning enough to support her lifestyle through platforms like Upwork. Her story proves that with determination and the right skills, you can achieve financial stability while traveling. Then there's Jack, who teaches English in Japan. He shares that he not only earns well, but also immerses himself in Japanese culture, learns the language, and makes lasting friendships. Stories like these inspire and show that the dream of earning while traveling is achievable. Each traveler's journey is unique, with lessons learned along the way. Some find success quickly, while others face initial setbacks but eventually find their footing. For instance, Maria tried freelancing but struggled until she found a niche in graphic design, which now funds her travels across Europe. Their stories remind us that persistence pays off and that adaptation and learning are crucial. We've explored various ways to earn money while traveling, from traditional jobs like teaching and freelancing to unconventional methods like pet sitting and joining research teams. Each avenue offers unique benefits and caters to different skills and interests. Whatever path you choose, remember that the journey is part of the adventure. Embrace the challenges, learn from every experience, and keep an open mind. The world is full of possibilities, and with the right approach, you can sustain your travels while creating unforgettable memories. Now, I want to hear from you. What method resonates most with you? Can you see yourself teaching English in a foreign country or freelancing on a beach? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Your feedback and experiences can inspire others in this community. So, what's stopping you? Get out there, explore different avenues, and make your travel dreams come true. See the world, earn as you go, and enjoy the incredible journey that lies ahead. Remember, the adventure is not just in the places you see, but also in the journey you take to get there. There you have it. I hope you finished feeling excited and inspired to explore the world while earning an income.